Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and for this video I'm gonna be showing you guys a new method, a new updated way on how you can get tweaked apps, tweaked games, hacked games, even paid games for free. And it's super simple, super quick and easy. And just to show you an example, I have this game right here called Subway Surfers. I'm pretty sure you probably already heard of it before at some point, but I'm gonna just show you that I downloaded this straight from the app and it's already hacked. It already has money and coins all installed in it. So I'm gonna go ahead, type in a random date, okay, tap the play, and let me see. Alright, it's going to try to make me do this tutorial, so I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this. Alright, now it made me do that tutorial because this is obviously the first time I opened this game. So let's just see how much money I got. And right now look, I have 268 million, and as you saw, it made me do the tutorial, so why would they start me off with that much money? Alright, so it starts you off with a crazy amount of money, and it's supposed to have unlimited keys also. So we're going to go ahead and get some keys, and just to show you, I can buy all these upgrades if I really wanted some upgrades. But say I want some keys or something, then let's go ahead and go home. Don't care about that. Get rid of this ad, go to me, let's go to awards, and let's just collect one award. Alright, so we're just going to collect one award and look at our keys. So we got 5 keys. We're supposed to get 3 keys, but we just got 200 keys, 200 million. So just wanted to show you guys, super easy. You could get games exactly like this, or even paid games for free. You know, I'm gonna stop talking about it. I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys how you can do this. So first thing, I'm gonna have this link in the description. You just click on it, it's gonna take you to this website. Now App Valley actually has 2 different websites right now because they have like a civil war going on, but anyway, this is the one I'm using because they're currently signed right now. So you'll just hit install, and then right here you'll just hit install, then type in your code, whatever it is. Then once you're done, you just hit install again, and then that's it. Now when you go back to your home screen, you should have App Valley right here. And once you open it up, this is exactly what it should look like. Yours is probably gonna be white. I have a dark mode activated, but this is what it has. It has tweaked plus apps. It has all these sections, jailbreak sections, and really anything you want. So if you want games, you can do tweaked games that are already hacked. You do paid games that cost money that you can get for free, or if you want tweaked apps, like if you want YouTube plus or something, you would just go through here. You can just download stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and try downloading, why not, Spotify plus. So right here it says there's no ads, Spotlight, and seeking enabled, and no forced shuffle, unlimited skips. It has all this stuff. So you'll just hit get, then it should ask you for this prompt right here, hit install again, and then that's it. After you do that, you should be able to use it no problems. So let's go ahead and wait. Alright, now once it's done, you can be able to click on it, and then let's see. So right here it tells you we have unlimited skips, no ads, stream quality, all this stuff. So thank you, and that's it. So we could do sign up for free, log in. I personally don't feel like doing that right now, but it is the tweaked version, and they already tell you that you can get unlimited skips and everything. So go ahead, experiment with this. This is basically an updated method with a lot more apps that you could get, or tweaks if you want the tweaks, and it's just amazing. But anyway, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and if you haven't checked the comments on my last video, I do gift card giveaway. So if you guys want to go ahead and leave a comment, you might get a reply with a gift card code, you know, just saying. But anyway, that's it for this video. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.